Quick 3D tutorials. Today's video is going to be about how we can create a control to controlling blend shape. Of course we have a control there, but sometimes we want to blend more in one blend shape together, or another design you want to have for the controller to make it easier. So the first thing, we just jump into the front view, go ahead and create whatever thing do you want, but in this case I just create this one. I need to rotate this, and to do this, rotating the X, and just scale it a bit, something like this, and duplicate Control D and make the sample controller. And of course I can make it smaller if I want, depend which style you want, but you can also of course use the vertex to do special design at the same time. Depend. Okay, so that is just simple way to setting this up, but that is not enough, because we need to actually go ahead and create a limit controller for it. So when you are done, you can just go to polymodeling, central pivot, delete history, and freeze transformation, and this kind of things. So when you are ready, you can of course go ahead and rename this control slider and the control. So the next thing we want to do is actually select this and actually select this one, middle mouse click, and drag it to this. Now we have grouping this, so we can now move our controller whatever place we want to be. And the next thing, we want also to show you how we can limit this information. And before it, but when I want select this one, I don't want to select this one. Always we need to select only this. So how we can do this is very simple. Select this one, go ahead to attribute editor. That is important, you need to be in the shape node, so that's named control shape. Go down to object display and template. What it does, I can now only select this one, so that is good. The second thing we want to do, selecting this one and give it limit information. So not in the shape in this type, we're going just to the name of the controller, go ahead to limit information, and here are information about translate, rotate, scale, and so on. So in this case we want to make a limit for it. So this one, it need only go up and down. Which axis? That is the y-axis. So, but the other side, like the x, I don't want this one to be moved. So I'm starting by this, tell it the minimum should be 0, the default, something you can call it, is 0, and the max is 0 also. The same thing for the z. And now we have available this to be number 1, but I don't know how much should I go up. So 1 is too less for this case, in this case. So maybe I don't want to this one going down, maybe something like this. How I can get the information? You can get it from there, 38. So what we're going to do, we're going just to, you can also of course sing it here. So I put this to be 0, negative of 83 and plus. So what we got now, we can move it up and down in this position I have selecting it. So that is good. So that is a way how you can simple way creating a custom controller for your blend shape or whatever thing you want, and with a set drive key, which can be found here, you can control the different object and blend shape. Thanks for watching.